Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Ooh. And today we're here with my bro, my G, DJ Platinum. Yeah. I think this is your second time on the channel, right? Second time on the channel, so big up yourself for forwarding again. Today we're here with Pete and Bass back in the UK again. Pete and Bass, top of the world. So, you don't know Platinum?
They are.
Yeah. So, we're back again, like I said. We're back again for Pete and Bass. So, I'm going to jump in that one and hear what the G them I say. Because you don't know these two are my G's. So, let's jump in the reaction and hear what them I say. Yeah. Let's go.
9, 1.
Yo, this is a typical Englishman, bro. Like, what them call a puncher? Speedo?
Oh, bro.
What them call it? Speedo?
Speedo Jet Juniors or something.
The man out with them beer belly and him just dip on the beach. I live in best life.
They call them budgie smugglers. They call them budgie smugglers.
Budgie smuggler?
Yeah.
Budgie smuggler? Yo, what are dealing does? Let's go.
1.
Come and talk to me, darling. Watch your gusto, walk with me, darling. We'll never be the match, por favor. That's a pina colada, I need one more.
Hold on. The confidence for them two, man, is out of this world. My office say big them up, dog. The confident, the style, them style is different. Big them up, dog. Like, not a lot of people have confidence to be doing this, but I guess this is what British people do when them dip on holiday, right?
What they go to? What's that place in Spain that all the old English people go to?
Wait name.
Because it would be. I forget.
Benidorm.
This is them. This is how I imagine them in Benidorm, innit? I wish, do you know what? I can't hate too much. I wish when I was their age, I have this kind of confidence because, yo.
Yeah, yo, the man them out. But let me just say this still. If my girl look on the man in a sexual way, we done. Pete and Bass, big up on yourself on my granddad. But big up on yourself, but none of that shit. Watch out.
Be the match, por favor. That's a pina colada, I need one more.
One more.
Yeah. Lean for me, swing for me, spin around like the barrel.
Who say lean for me, swing for me? You're too wicked.
Watch your gusto, walk with me, darling. We'll never be the match, por favor. That's a pina colada, I need one more.
Yeah.
Lean for me, swing for me, spin around like the barrel of a bean for me.
Spin around like the barrel of a being for me. What that? Barrel of a being. What is barrel of a being?
I don't know. That's some English slang.
Say you're not English, brother?
That's some. Nah, I'm English. I'm British. I'm born here, but that's some. Born in England, but that's some real British pub lingo. You have slang, and you have lingo. That's lingo. You understand?
Yo, barrel of a bing. I first man hear that still. Big up. Leave in the comment section. What that is, cause I don't know what it is.
With me, darling, we'll never be the match, por favor. That's a pina colada, I need one more. Yeah. Lean for me, swing for me, spin around like the barrel of a bean for me. You're keen for me, sing for me. You can't hide it, I know you got a thing for me. So baby, grab your bag, wait with your mate while I grab the jag. And you know I got the cash.
Look at them people in the background. The folks say, what them two OAP?
Wait with your mate while I grab the jag. And you know I got the cash.
Look there. Look on her face. Look on her face. Look on her face. She's like, what them gonna go sit down, man? Which country them there? I would like to know which country them there still. I must be an arse. One of the Spanish island them must be, or even Tenerife or some of them there, right?
Grab your bag, wait with your mate while I grab the jag. And you know I got the cash. Pick what you want, we can pop the tags. Live for the party, baby. Rack 10 shots of Bacardi, baby. Big bank, fast cars and a private jet. I like to do karate, baby. I don't know what they told ya. I shoot guns and I bunk your girl. Birds up.
I don't know what them.
Yo! Pull out. I don't know what they told ya. I bang guns and I'll bunk your girl. Yo, Pete and Baz are some old school British gangsters, man.
Baby, big bank, fast cars in a private jet, and I can do karate, baby. I don't know what they told ya. I shoot guns and I bunk your girl. Birds up when I duck the police. My pint and my fag, I'm on top of the world. I don't know what they told ya. I shoot guns and I bunk your girl.
Look on the audience. Look, people that take pictures with you. Look on the audience, brother. They have an audience, dog.
I don't know what they told ya. I shoot guns and I bunk your girl.
Look at, she's laughing. She find it funny, dog.
That's true. The swag now, swag. Remember that same look you was talking about? If one of them girl look on you,
Yeah.
it's that same look. It's that same look, mate.
No, but female big too, son. Nothing. Female big too, so it quits. Yeah, it work out the same. It work the same. It work the same. Shit.
Oh my days.
Birds up when I duck the police. My pint and my fag, I'm on top of the world. Two stepping in me espadrilles, strapped to the teeth and I'm dressed to kill. Looking sharp, baby, what's the deal? If your man pipes up, he connect the steel.
If your man pipes up, he can make the steel.
Bro, you know, he's got a shoving gun in that mouth. Yo, he's serious.
Yeah?
Which one's Pete and which one's Buzz?
I think
The tall one must be Pete and the small one.
no, I think no.
Oh, wait.
I'm pretty sure the tall one is Bass.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure the tall one is Bass, and then the shot on his feet. I think Bass was in prison not long ago. I think it was early this year come out or something like that. I'm pretty sure he was in prison. Correct me in the comment section, please, guys. But I'm pretty sure he was in prison not long ago.
Talking about a thing in your mouth, it'll take one shot, but I'll give him a round. And I could even give him a tan. I'll leave him out on the beach with his head in the sand. Chest there with my chain on the chest there.
Bro, that mean
How they still with the swim shorts in the middle of the city, bro? Yo, confidence up there, bro. I swear. When British tourists go to any Spanish island, they always act a fool. They're comfortable. Business. They can walk out in underwear in the middle of the city and they're calm. I can't have that at my age. I can't have that confidence there, bro.
Bro, I don't know how them do it, but that's the exact thing we just said a while ago. Big up themselves, them a live them life, them a do them thing. Yeah. I'm proud of them. I want this man to live for 200 years and still do it, bro. No joke. You want more? Yeah, them bad.
I'll leave him out on the beach with his head in the sand. Chest there with my chain on the chest there. Feet up, glow trees in the deck chair. Clean cup with my Pinot Grigio. I ain't pissed yet, but you'll see when I
Look at the disgrace some people. Look at our face. But them not care, dog.
get there. See me? I'm a big man. You're a TP. I'm a wigwam. You're a little string.
You're a TP. I'm a wigwam. What?
Me? I'm a big man. You're a TP. I'm a wigwam.
What's a wigwam?
Wigwam is like a tall tent, like native Indian tent.
Okay, so
yeah.
Obviously the TP are the little tent.
Yeah.
Okay.
A wigwam, it's a big one. Yeah, that's what I said.
Okay, all right, big man.
You're a little string bean of a man with a pea for a brain and a hair's like a tin can. I don't know what they told ya. I shoot guns and I bunk your girl. Birds up when I duck the police. My pint and my fag, I'm on top of the world. I don't know what they told.
Watch you whine. Watch you yes. Yo, what last be seeing? Watch you yes. No sir.
Duck the police, my pint and my fag, I'm on top of the world. I don't know what they told ya. I shoot guns and I bunk your girl. Birds up when I duck the police, my pint and my fag, I'm on top of the world.
Yo, big them up, dog. Like, no joke. No joke. Big up them two, man. Yeah? Like, them and do them thing. You have to respect. You have to respect what them and do, bro. Cause them obviously them have a space in the music and people love them. People accept them. As you can see, they're out in the streets in a different country and people are still taking pictures with them and stuff.
If I'm honest, I wasn't the biggest fan, but I thought it was just a fad. But they've been going on for what? is it almost like 3 years? No? 3 straight years. And it hasn't slowed down. And you see that song right there, man, it's catchy, you can't lie. You know what I mean? It's dope. It's a slice of British culture. You get it? You know, them pub lad culture, you get it?
No, honestly, I've got a lot of respect for them. And the first time I hear them, I just kept reacting. Yes, I've missed a few reactions with them because I've been busy doing other things, but Pete and Bass, big up on yourself. Obviously, we talked before upon DMs and stuff. Because they message me sometime, you know. They message me and pick me up sometimes. So, yeah, big up Pete and Bass. You don't know. It make me feel
Proud.
Watching them don't make me feel that all. Make me feel it. Because if they're that age and they might do these things, come on, bro, you got lots more life in you, isn't me?
What I always say is that you're as old as you feel, and these are Pete and Buzz, a perfect example of them, of that saying embodied. You understand? They're talented. They're talented. The whole package, man. So yeah. Pete and Buzz to the world, man.
Yeah. Anyway, big up on yourself. If you enjoy one and I want to see more from your G, leave a like on the video, subscribe around there if you're new. And I will definitely see you in the next one. If it can be good, be lucky. If you have not good, we say don't say nothing.